Hello, and welcome to the Grande Cheese App. Created with pizza in mind, take the first step to improving your profitability today by easily calculating your food costs. Before you start using the app, you will want to have the following information readily available: current invoices from your suppliers, batch recipes for your pizza sauce and dough, pizza recipes and portion charts. If you do not have portion charts created, be sure to accurately measure the portions that you are using on your pies. Having these resources in hand will ensure an easy process for entering your information. As you work through the app, there is a sequence to follow for building your menu items. Get started by 1. Adding your supplier or suppliers' information. 2. Adding ingredients. 3. Entering batch recipes. And finally, creating menu items. Leverage the Master Portion Pizza tool to easily recreate and calculate portions for multiple pizza sizes. Watch our additional tutorial videos for hands-on directions each step of the way, as well as training on additional profit-building tools available within the app.